Yes, today's topic is trigonometry. Trigonometry is the calculations on triangles, right? You people already know about triangles, its shape, everything, properties of triangles already in previous classes we have seen, right? So, for this calculations on triangles, let me take one example how it is used to calculate. Okay, this is an electric pole if you take. Electric pole, and this is land. Think this as ladder. Okay, and if you observe this is looking like a geometrical shape, triangle, right? Triangle. Okay, now if you observe here, what is this angle? Anyone can understand that this angle is 90 degrees. It's a right angle. So basically the calculations will be done on right angled triangles. Right angled triangles. Okay, by using this trigonometric calculations, we can find the distance between the ladder and the pole, and the total length of the pole, and the ladder length. Okay, all you can do calculations and find those values by using trigonometry itself. Okay, so let us draw a specific right angle triangle. See, I have drawn one right angled triangle, and let us name it X, Y and Z. Right angle is on Y, angle Y. This is angle Y, this is angle X, small z, and this is small y. And this directly you can denote 90 degrees because this is a right angle triangle. At Y we have 90 degrees, and this is angle X, this is angle Z. If you see, let us give the names for this right angle triangle. First of all, this is called as hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse. Based on this hypotenuse, we will give the names to the remaining two sides. For hypotenuse, this is opposite line, right? This line is opposite side. And this what, mom? This is adjacent side. Okay, to find the values and all, for them some specific angle names are given. Basic angle names. First one is sine. Second one is cos. Third one is tan. Okay. So for this is the angle name. For this we add the angles. Here if you have to find the sine angle of here this x, then we write sine x. Or if you want to find the z, sine z. Like that, corresponding angle names we will take by using these three names, basic names of the angles. Okay, so here we have taken here angle x, angle z and angle y. So using them, what is the formula we will get for these three basic trigonometric angles? So first I am taking sine x. Here sine x equals what? Formula is that sine x formula is that opposite length of opposite side here. Why we wrote opposite side? For this angle we are finding the for this angle. For this angle, what is the opposite side? Yz. Okay, later we will write that all. Length of opposite side by length of hypotenuse. Okay. So now see, for this we are finding for this. For this, what is the opposite side? This is the opposite side, that is yz by length of hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse here? Xz. Okay, this is about sin x. If you take sin z, if you take sin z, if you take sin z, for this what is the opposite side? This is the opposite side. So xy, again write this formula, length of opposite side by length of hypotenuse. Okay, so by this what you will get mark? For z, what is the opposite side? This is the opposite side for z. So xy by what is the hypotenuse? Xz. Got it? And if you take for this, if you take for this sin 90 degrees, here 90 is there, that's why I am writing 90 degrees. Sin 90 means for this what is the opposite side? This. But you shouldn't take in that way. These having some specific value. Later we will see those all. Okay, this is about sine. Next coming to cos, cos x and cos z. Cos x is equals to length of adjacent side by length of hypotenuse. Okay, so for this x, what is the adjacent side? What is the adjacent side? Xy. So xy by hypotenuse, for everything it is xz only. So xz. Next, if you take a cos z, if you take for this cos theta, cos z, for this what is the opposite side, adjacent side? Yz is the adjacent side, right? So yz by hypotenuse is again xj. Like this we will take the values. Okay, and one more tan is there. For tan x and z we find the formula. Tan x first. What is tan x? Tan x, length of opposite side by length of adjacent side. That equals. Okay, let us see length of opposite side. For x, what is opposite side? Yz. Yz by length of adjacent side. What is the adjacent side? Xy. Okay, and if you observe, okay, let us see tan z. Tan z is equals to again length of opposite side by length of adjacent side. For z, what is the opposite side? Xy by what is the adjacent side? Yz. Okay, in this way corresponding angles, corresponding sides, you must observe them properly and you have to write the ratios. Okay, we call this as trigonometric ratios. Yes, because why we are calling ratios? These are in the form of P by Q form. We can write them as in such way yz is to xy. Like this also we can write, right? So we even call them as trigonometric ratios.